Oh my God, something happened to me yesterday. I am just totally, I mean, I was telling somebody this morning about the incident and I was laughing till I fell to the ground, right? I had this experience with somebody who, he seems to be of unsound mind, and you know them say when mad people when you get in an encounter with mad people, nothing now come out of it. So you're up on the road and they do anything to you, and because they are of unsound mind, nothing going to come out of it. So I have known of persons who, there was this guy I grew up with, and he was just walking on the road one day. I think he was 12, and a person of unsound mind just saw him walking on the street and just straight off his head, straight off, gone. So when you hear stories like that, you know, it make you really, really cautious when you see these people on the street and you see that they're either talking to themselves, because this particular guy yesterday, he was talking to himself, and is somebody I've seen, you know, here and there for the past couple weeks or so, just walking along the main road, walking through the scheme where I live in the early morning, and he's just always talking very loudly to himself and arguing, like somebody's there beside him arguing, so you know that, you know, something not too right with him. So yesterday now, I was on the road jogging, because some mornings, you know, I go jogging, and I saw him. He was on the main road as usual, so I didn't really pay much mind. I see him and I hear him and whatever, but I go about my business. Went way up a couple miles, did my jogging. When I reach up there, there's this man again. So it's like he took a different route and he's still talking to himself, still arguing with this imaginary person beside him. I'm gonna say, all right. So that's 2 miles away from where I first saw him, still there. So I went through the scheme and I come back down to the main road again. That's the first place I had seen him first. He's there again, coming up the road. So I said, what is man, what is up with him? He's just walking miles and miles, just round and round, going about, but still not really paying him no mind, right? So then across the road, came over into my scheme, my section of this scheme. Him crossed the road. So I said, no man, I don't want this man coming too close to me and it looked like this man trailing me or something. So I walked down closer, getting closer to my home, and he's still behind me. He's not saying anything to me, he's talking to himself, him cussing, and him cussing the imaginary person beside him really loud, like he's really upset with this person. I don't know what the person do him. I don't know what the imaginary person do him, but him really upset, and him explaining him situation in no uncertain terms. So when I walk now, I come back down and I say, no, I'm getting closer to my home, and this man is, I don't know if he might trail me, but him certainly taking the same route where me taking. So I say, all right, you know what, I'm going to go that way. So instead of going straight ahead, I turn off to the right. I say, all right, I'm going to go around and make some U-turn, whatever, and eventually come back. By that time, he would have gone. When me turn to the right, instead of straight, when me turn to the right, the man stopped. And he said to me, lady, you know, to see the wrong way you go. I'm still... Man say, you know, to say the wrong way you go, lady, you know, don't this so you're host. The man know I'm host. So all me I tell myself, say, may I branch off. The man already penned me off. Oh my God. The man already panned me out and know which pan. So listen. Might have to go move.